This is kind of fun. I've never seen Nora take so much interest in a toy before. I think she's interested just because she learned how to stick it in her mouth. That's what you like to do, huh? Suck on anything. What else can you put in your mouth? Sorry the lighting's so bad. It's a really rainy day today. You're so funny. Can you talk to the fish, Nora? Don't let it get away from you. Agoo. Abu. You lost your fish. Oh, is that what you have to say about that? Here. Do you want it back? Do you want it back? Can you grab it? Almost. You almost have it. Oh, there you go. Good job. Oh, you got that fish in your mouth. You guys are kissing. That fish has kissy lips. Can you kiss the fish, Nora? It's like too big to get to your mouth. You lost the fish. Oh no. It's gone. Where did the fish go? It's gone. Oh no. Nora, where's your fish? Where did your fish go? Can you get the fish back? It's right here. It's right here. Can you get the fish back? You can do it. Oh, okay, almost. Can you get the fish back? Ooh, there you go. Good. Oh, you lost your fish again. Where did your fish go? You don't know? You don't know where your fish went? Uh-oh. Here's your fish. Mwah, 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 mwah. Kiss, 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 kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Mwah. Oh, it's okay. Just take it back. Do you want to hold it yourself? Can you grab the fishy? Grab the fishy. You can grab the fish. Come on. Oh, bubbles. Pop the bubbles. Boop. Oh, good job. Oh, you just got that fish back in your hand. Good job. And I hope your dad comes home quick. You're going to get really fussy. Uh-oh. Hang in there. Hang in there. He's almost home. Can you grab the fish, Nora?